Hello guys, it's John Richmond here. I got these little pieces of tubing off of the top of the struts here. They were on the threads to protect the threading. There's 4 of these 13mm bolts and nuts you gotta put on there. And then you got 2 for the bottom right here. And this is what they look like. But I'm about to get this thing bolted up and we shall finish what we started. The reason why this vehicle was brought in was because the customer was complaining about a noise in the front end, and which I just put it up in the air and I just turned the wheel back and forth like so, left to right, and I could hear exactly what they were talking about. On the old quick strut that they assembled, nothing against quick strut, but with the old quick strut that they had assembled, I had just changed these out not too long ago. I'm saying about 6 months ago. Average life, it seems. These struts, I mean, they're okay, but we'll see if the noise goes away after I get all this tidied up here. And make sure these are tight, that way they don't come off of there. These are the ones that I don't like doing, is the back ones. There we go. Huh. Doesn't seem to want to go on there. Yep, this one just doesn't want to go on there. So, you got any papers? Papers? Yeah, hold on. Let me get this thing out of the way. But that's pretty much how you put your strut in. I'll make a part 2 to it.